All right, everybody, so here's a common example. We're going to do an example of an angle of elevation question. So you're standing away from a building. You don't know how tall this building is. I should use the pen here. But you know that you personally are 100 feet away from it. And it tells us that the angle of elevation from specifically a point on the ground here, so it's telling us the ground, is 48 degrees. So all the way to the top here, they're telling us that when we look up, our angle of elevation is 48 degrees. And they want to know what is our height of the building. So based off of this information, basically they're just giving us a triangle and an unknown length that we have to solve for, and it turns into the problems that we were doing the other day. The key with our vocab, the new concept today, is knowing where that 48-degree angle goes. So we're solving for height. We have 48 degrees. We have 100 feet. So if we look at 48 degrees, height, this is actually our opposite side length. And the side length that's right next to 48 degrees is our adjacent side length. So we have O and we have A. So which part of SOHCAHTOA is that? Well, TOA is tangent. So the tangent of our 48-degree angle here is going to equal opposite, which is x, over our adjacent, which is 100. So now we can go through on our calculators and do this. And again, I know we talked about this in class. Double check, make sure that you are in degrees and not radians. And go ahead and solve. So multiply both sides by 100. You see this 100 will cancel. You'll be left with 100 tangent of 48 equals x. And then 100 times the tangent of 48 in the calculator gives us a value of 111.06 or 111 we can round it up to 0.1 feet tall, and that's how tall the building is. So the only new part of what we're doing today is the idea of what is an angle of elevation, but it's your job now to go through and draw a diagram of a picture, make your own triangle, and again, go through and solve.